Hey there, entrepreneurs! What if you could run a fully automated AI fact-checking business that works 24/7, requires zero investment, and earns passive income without any effort? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an AI fact-checking Telegram bot that verifies news, claims, and misinformation automatically. And guess what? No coding skills needed. You can do it all from your smartphone. This AI bot uses free artificial intelligence models to verify facts instantly. Users simply type a claim into the Telegram bot, and it responds with an AI-powered fact check. The best part? You don't need to be online. It runs automatically, helping thousands of people without any manual work. Here's how to set it up for free in just a few steps. Step 1. Get a free AI API key from Hugging Face. Step 2. Create a Telegram bot in minutes using BotFather. Step 3. Host your bot online for free using Replit, so it runs even when your phone is off. Step 4. List your bot on Telegram directories to attract users passively. With these simple steps, your AI fact checker will be fully automated and always running. Now, how do you make money with this? Here are 3 fully automated ways. First, Telegram ads. Once your bot gains users, you can place sponsored messages and earn from Telegram. Second, affiliate marketing. Promote fact-checking tools or news subscriptions inside the bot and earn commissions. Third, AI API reselling. Offer advanced AI features for a premium version using paid API access. Since this bot runs on free tools, every dollar earned is pure profit, and you don't have to do anything once it's set up. This is not just an idea, it's already proven to work. AI-powered fact-checking is in high demand, and Telegram bots are getting millions of users. With the right automation strategy, your bot can keep growing without you lifting a finger. Want to set up this AI bot the easy way? I've created a ready-made Python script that runs legally, securely, and without any issues. Instead of figuring out the code yourself, you can get the full working version for just £10, trusted and tested. Comment code 10 below and I'll send you the details. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI automation business ideas. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.